fixing my big hair, don't care. Hi Fiyahs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Your girl is rocking a little lipstick this morning. I haven't worn lipstick in a long time. It's been a minute. Say morning, fam bam.
Good morning.
You guys, let me tell you something about this hot man beside me, y'all. I just fell in love and lust over my husband all over again, like the first day I laid eyes on this gem. Listen, he put on his glasses and I was like, holy! I just love seeing when he go out of his comfort zone. This is not him, but right now,
Mama,
I am feeling like 16 again and falling in love. Yes, Tyler?
I saw a Jeep that looked like a new car.
Okay, maybe. Y'all, isn't babe? I'm giving you guys permission to tell me if babe don't look sexy in the comments. Isn't he hot? He is so hot. I can't say the words that I want to say because I have kids in the car. But my husband is so sexy, y'all. Listen! Look at him. He's blushing. I just love seeing he look like this. It makes my heart just go, oh! Y'all, snatch it!
Papa?
Tyler, say hello to the faves.
Hello, Mama.
Say hello to the faves.
I say hello.
Oh, you say hello, Mama. And Sarah is down there.
Mama, I want to tell you something.
What you want to tell me?
Did you know that I saw a stop off for bus?
Yeah, there are many bus stops along this road.
That car is Fury.
Okay, maybe. You guys, we are on the road. It's the weekend and we just love spending time together when it's the weekend. It's the weekend and we are heading to the supermarket for one item. I need plantains, girl. I need plantains, so I'm heading to the supermarket that we don't usually go to get it. That's a fruits and veggie store I'm going. And then we're gonna take Ty to the park, or should I say Tyler and Sarah to the park. It's the last weekend before Tyler head back to school, as he's doing a lot better, so he's going back to school on Monday. So we're just taking him out for a bit since he's not doing too bad. It's Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. So we're on the road right now, just having a little family fun time and just cruising the day. We're not in no hurry, we're taking our jolly little time. Yeah, so we're just taking you guys along, of course. Hopefully you guys are having a good day though. Hopefully you guys stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and enjoy your family on the weekends, that you have family time and you work so much through the week. Just taking every moment and spend time together. Anyway, y'all, you'll see better view of the kiddos when we get out, and we are gonna have a good day. So if you are new to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what are you doing today, whichever time of the day that you're watching it, whether Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Tell me what you're doing, whether you're going to work today, you're going to school today, you're going to church today, girl. Let me know. I love you guys. Well, the car's waiting in the car. I'm heading to get plantains. In and out in the store real quick. Getting plantains. These plantains look like they were in war. I'm gonna get a few and then I should be out of here in no time.
Woody boy.
Pourquoi pas? Ici, if you want to play here where the grass is. Thailand, they playing football.
That's a nice shot.
Get it, Ty. Go get it. Kick it, Ty. Kick it, Ty. Kick it. Get it, Ty. Kick it. Oh! Up, Ty. Up, 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 up. Go, 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 go. Yes, Ty. Don't touch. Kick, Ty. Kick.
Find the air. Find the air.
Sarah laughing. Yeah.
I don't know who is the more happy between you and her.
Sorry, I enjoyed the swing. You enjoyed the swing, Mama? Popo. Popo. Sarah! Papa riding with you. Shake, Sarah. Shake, 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 shake. I want a picture of you right there, princess. Wait, wait. Stand up. Bing.
Okay, Mama, let's go.
Okay, okay.
That's your first flight. That's your first flight.
Ooh, your first flight, princess with Papa. And your man gets set. Go! You haven't been her foot. You haven't put her in your lap. It's a big one yet to go on with her. Go. Hi, Missy. Why are you up so high, Missy? Oh, God. With me pitney. Oh, with me pitney. Look at me.
Papa, tu iras jamais m'attraper.
Put her in your lap completely. Make sure her foot in your hand, in your lap completely. Sarah. Come down before Tyler. You come before me, you're waiting on him. Okay. Oh, Ty, take your time.
You want to come before me look for the picture?
Who, Ty?
Yeah.
No, make him stay. Ready? Baby, Sarah foot need to come up in your lap completely. Tyler, it's time to slide. Don't drop her now.
I think you should do it. Do it once. Do it once.
Me should do it once. Me not go through the whole year with her, you man.
Look at the sky, Mama.
Don't fall.
Don't fall.
Because there is some cold.
We made it.
See, because under there's some things.
If I fall, you gotta catch me.
Mama,
Eh?
this light. I'm not sitting.
You made it.
Oh, I mean,
Be careful, it's going fast.
choo choo.
Choo choo.
So why you made me come?
Go. It's a, so just hold her, you'll be fine.
Sarah, Papa set me up. Oh, baby, you're gonna hold on by No, you didn't mind.
Who is the baby? Who is the baby?
Ella, go before me, thank you. Baby, me not come down with Sarah, no!
Just go and keep her.
I come down by myself, I'm not coming down with Sarah, no. No.
Hey, look at that. Look at that coward.
No.
Look at that coward. So what should I?
What, Papa?
Eh? You're Musha, but I don't know what's Musha. Look at Mama. Mama is a coward. Look, Mama is a coward.
No, Papa.
Okay, look at. You have his water, his bottle somewhere?
No, water under the stroller. Baby, it's looking dangerous. You're not doing it.
So Mama is a coward.
Sarah, I'm sorry. But this me not do. No, no, no.
Everybody watching you. Is she gonna do it? Or is she a coward?
Let's run by myself first.
Or is she a coward? So what should I do? Should I come up and take her?
No, I'm gonna give you her. You can take her.
Alright, I'm gonna take her.
Dangerous. Me not do it with Sarah.
Alright. You're stalking everybody.
Go.
This up.
It's too fast.
Disappointed.
No.
Alright.
Babe teaching Tyler to climb. Wow, you almost there, Ty. Put your foot up. Look, look.
Tyler.
On the right.
And here. More
On the blue one.
No,
The blue, right. Right. Good job. He punched you? Come down and try and do it again.
No, no.
You don't want to do Which way you going?
That way.
Go.
That's the stars.
We can't see, we can't. No, stop.
Mama, I got you.
Wait, me dizzy.
I got you.
Wait. We can't see.
Let me show you.
Your turn.
Yes, not too fast. You
Okay.
spin it and yes. Whoa.
You okay? You can't see? You can walk?
Yeah.
Walk, let me see.
Right.
Il s'est arrivé va où?
I think this one is going to Paris. Maybe it's going to Paris.
Alors,
Okay.
quoi?
Yeah, the plane is here, is hidden, we don't see it. But we look at this one. This one is about to land. You see this one?
Il date de où ce
Look at him.
cadeau?
I don't know. Look at it.
What the
He's coming from London. He looks like a British Airways plane. Ooh, he's gonna reach. He's gonna reach. He's gonna reach.
Not bad, just too fast. London, just too fast.
Right. He reached.
You are a baby. You are
Why are you blushing?
You're good.
Getting hungry-ish. Ice cream break in McDonald's. What did babe get? What is this, honey? What did you get? McFlurry, and it's for Tyler?
Yeah.
Ooh, chocolate. And mine is vanilla with my nutsy. Sarah, what for you?
Nothing.
Nothing. Breast milk. Breast milk. Yes. It's yummy. Yummy. Guys, we are at the mall. We've been at the mall. Tyler, why are you doing that? Stop doing that. We've been at the mall for a while. It's actually a mall that we love to come to, but there's so many new stores open here. So we've been here exploring the new stores, and man, some of them smell so good. The food smells so bomb. So we finished exploring, had some ice cream break, and now we're heading home or back off the road and making dinner. And I am cooking quinoa and salmon. Thank you, Tyler. Fambam is waiting for dinner. Everybody's over there. Babe taking care of Sarah. Tyler is in his book. and I am cooking. Salmon about to go in, and quinoa is in here. Someone asked me how I cook my quinoa. You guys, let me show you how easy my quinoa cooks. So I bought this quinoa at the supermarket. It's already seasoned. It have thyme in there. It have all different kind of seasoning in there. All I needed to do is take it out of the package, throw it in water, and let it cook. That's all I need to do for 12 minutes. This quinoa I don't have to add anything, but I just put some water in my rice cooker, throw the quinoa in there with a little bit of salt, and it cooks, and that's it. Alright, you guys, that's as simple as dinner gets tonight. It's grub time. Grub time, honey.
What's
To the table.
mean?
You guys, oh, I just put the kids down to bed, and I'm about to pull my hair down and get extra comfortable for the night. But so many of you on Instagram been telling me how you like my hair today and want to know how I do it. So I promise that before I go to bed, I'm going to recreate it real quick and show you guys how I did it. It's nothing serious, so I'm just gonna pull it down. So as you can see, it's a bow right here. That. Okay, so follow me here. I'm gonna take it down. So that's my natural hair. And first thing first, what you guys need to know is I had washed my hair and put it in medium-sized plaits. That's why I have these curl patterns in. And at night all I do is just put them into big twists. That way my curls stay. So this is like wash, what, 2 days now, 2 or 3 days, something like that. Anyway, so I just pull my twists, my plaits and my twists out. And what I'm gonna do is take away the front section. So this is the front section of the twist out. I'm gonna take it out like that. And the rest of it, which is all of this here, I'm gonna use this. I could also use a stocking, which I always use to pull my hair up. And instead of pulling it back, I'm gonna catch it up. So follow me along. All this, I'm going to bring it kind of forward, if that makes sense. I don't want it tight, so I'm gonna leave it loose. So I'm just gonna use this and clip it up right here. Voila, like that, up the top. And then I have the front piece leave. Okay, I'm gonna use this scarf, which I love to use. It's a short scarf actually, but you can use any scarf to create this look. I mean, you can use any stiff scarf like this because you don't want your bow, when you make your bow, for it to flop. So use a scarf that the material is thick, not a soft one. And I'm just gonna fold the scarf to my liking. So I'm gonna like fold it in half. So whichever scarf that you're using, this is how big you want the piece that you're gonna use. And what you can do when you're creating these styles, just play with your material and play with your hair until it forms and become the way that you want it. And what I'm gonna do now, this is right here in the back. I'm gonna put it from the back like this, and I'm not gonna make it tight. I just want it very loose like that. And I'm gonna come around to the front and I'm gonna tie it on top of the front leave out. So that's the front leave out. I'm gonna tie it about right here. You don't want to tie it tight, okay? So I'm gonna tie it like that. Don't mind the front right now. You're gonna make your bow. Make your bow like that, girl. and the leave out. Okay, I'm gonna twist my bow this way because I like when my bow is this side. The leave out pieces, I'm gonna tuck it inside of the bow so it don't show. And then when I put it inside, I open up the bow wing. So this piece inside the bow and open up the wings, because you don't want to see these leave out right here. So okay, and you just play with your material and form your bow however you want it. Make your bow look nice and stiff. Nice and stiff, that sounds good. Okay, after you make your bow like that, you pull it down over your ears, make it nice. Now you want to play with the front piece of your hair, so you're gonna pull it down how you want it. You don't want too much in your face. So like how my hair too long and it's over my eye, I'm gonna tuck it under. Just push it up under the material. Pull this, come round and round, and if it's too long, you push it up under the material until it is formed. If you get the gist. Okay. All right, this piece up here, which I had clip up, what I'm gonna do is just open the clip. I'm not gonna take it out completely. I'm just gonna open it and pull it wide, and then I'm gonna open up the top piece of the hair like that, and the material will hold the back. And you just tuck and form whatever you need to tuck and form, and that's how the back will end up looking. And you can use the material to hide this, the clip. If you don't have a clip like mine, like I said, you can use a stocking or a shoelace or whatever the case may be. But yeah, if you get the gist, that's how I had it today. Yeah, and that was the look for today. I think that's as easy as it gets. When I'm doing my hairstyle, I just freestyle. I don't look off something. I just do it within the moment, and however it turns out, that's the look I get. But yeah, that's the idea of the hair that I had today. Get it? Make sure you get it. Anyway, you guys, the kiddos are off the bed, and Babe and I gonna figure out the rest of our night. Anyway, you guys, I am gonna leave you guys here for today. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up with us. I'm fixing my hair like I'm going out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.